Hey, got new hair. Yeah. Oh, it's hot. No. Yo, guys. Just a quick little update video saying that I'm ill, so I'm not uploading because it hurts to talk, and I'd rather not ruin my voice considering this is a music channel. So, yeah. It's the 31st of March, so made it 3 months without getting ill. I think it's been 2 weeks since I last uploaded, and I really didn't want to get like destroyed by YouTube, you know, because you know how they turn around like, this boy's not uploading, send him to the bottom of the pile. But yeah, I'd rather not be down there where no one will see my stuff. So just gonna update you real quick. Yeah. It's not really much to say. I got a haircut, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, and my friend Toby, he gave me his old microphone, so hopefully I'll sound better. It's not plugged in, so don't know why I'm talking into it, but there's not really much else to say, really. Oh, when I get back, I think I'll do a Gambino song. A song by Eliza, you know, Eliza Doolittle. I've been really into their shit recently. I mean, Eliza recently, but Gambino I've been into his shit since like 2 years ago. Nah, I've loved them since like Freaks and Geeks. Those were the days. But yeah, just stick around a little longer. Please be patient. I'll be back ASAP, right? I'll see you then.